It's completely a fixed time. Now, we have in this online business, we have our own schedule, right? We can schedule our timing. So it's not a 9 to 5. Whenever you are free, or 2 3 hours, you can just sit and do your online business. And also, one more thing, when we go to work, it is like commuting to and fro. It is again a tedious thing, which, half the time when you come back, you are exhausted, you are stressed, or you're like no time to spend with the family. So all this, I relate with the online, saying that we can work from anywhere, anytime, and also spend a quality time with our family, and also pursue our personal interests also. One more point I want to say is about job security. Now, a job is never 100% secure, right? There could be downsizing, there could be layoffs, and even shifts happen, shifts, different morning, evening shifts, or something like that. And then there is a pay cut. I've been hearing recently also some of the cases like this, and I can see like the stress what goes on in those people. So I feel this online business can ensure that it gives us like kind of a backup. So it's always better that you do your regular job, but have a backup, like a plan B, so that you will never be like, say, without a work, without a job, anytime. Like, you will always be happy that, okay, I do have a backup plan with me, right? Then I also feel that even this digital economy is growing nowadays. Everywhere it's like online, online, online. So I feel an early adoption, like early, what I mean to say early is, now I am in the retired stage. I'm thinking I should have done this, say, around 10 years back. I should have done it so that I would have been much more ahead. And that's lacking in me. But I hope all those who are watching, our viewers and followers and all, do take a step so that, you are strong, you are having a strong position in the future. That's what I feel. Yeah, Sheetal?
Yeah. Thank you, Seema. It's really like often this thought really strikes us that no, I have a good job, then why do I need to stress on working on something else? I
Yes.
used to think the same, and I thought that I will work and work and work and work till 60 years or whatever age, and then I will retire. Even though my job is not a good paying job, but then I am still grateful to God that I have this job as an educator and enlightening like no so many young minds. But then I also thought that no, why start something new? But then the reality, we as young parents with small children who are schooling, children who are going to colleges, uh, will resonate. The people who are watching us live, there might be many parents with children who are studying here in UAE or any other part of the world, will know that with the rising expenses, with our kids' fees and their needs and their future and our own retirement, is our salary enough? We are always cutting short on so many expenses for ourselves, and
Yes.
we always cut like no let go of our desires. We when we go out, like a situation I want to say, when we go out for shopping or something, if your child asks, sometimes we have to say no. Sometimes we ourselves don't buy things. So we need to ask ourselves that question: how long are we going to run our life like this? So basically, I wanted more than just making ends meet. I wanted that freedom, time with my children. And I now realize that my eldest son is already in the university, he's gone out of home. I want to spend much more time with my other two sons here in the house. And I want to live that stress free life uh, with finances more than enough, that I can live a better life and give a better future for my children and for ourselves. And we all, most of us have got parents to take care of. So all this is keeping in the mind that is we need to ask ourselves that questions. Is our salary is enough for doing all of such things? So when I came across this online venture, this gave me exactly what I was looking for. It gave me the flexibility, and it also helped me growing alongside my job. And I didn't have to trade my time for money anymore. I can side by side build my business while working as an educator. So I know that most of us have got great jobs, great paying jobs, but then I am in so much love with this amazing online digital business that it has given us so much. It has given me so much. And I believe that each one of us here on the screen, Saji and Seema, even though they are retired, they still have started this business because there is something in it that they have seen. They have got experience of so many years working, and but that still they have started. So we as young parents, like myself and Deepa now, we've got children growing up, and there are so many of us out like no, who are out in the world who are looking for that freedom. We are constantly stressed. We've got loans, we've got cards to pay, we've got so many things. Why not start or sow the seed now and and take care of it so that you will have a better
Yes.
future wherein we can leave something instead of our children following the same step of having that same stress, work home, work home, work home. They can relax. We the One of the best thing about this online business is that we can leave this business as a legacy for our children. We cannot leave our certificates or experiences that we have for our kids, but this business we can leave as a legacy. So I want to right now people who are watching us to ask this question: should we really think only of working 9 to 5 and think that is this the only thing that is possible? There are so many other possibilities. You just, for me, it wasn't easy. I know for Deepa, it was not easy. She's also busy. And Saji, it was not easy at this age. And Auntie Seema, also, it was not easy. Yes, for all of us, we were not tech savvy. We didn't have so much of social media experience or things like that. But we all learned from scratch. And I want to say that this digital business the platform has actually built me up from a scared introvert mom to an educator to someone who I still feel amazed at looking at myself that I am here to share this opportunity. And I'm so blessed that God is using me through this opportunity to bring forth increase in their finances and bring forth financial freedom to have that time with their kids. These time will never come back. I always tell young parents that no, when your child is small, enjoy with them because it will is not going to come back once they move out of the house. Finish,
Yeah,
like
that's
they are
true.
by themselves, their life, and we are by
Then they are
ourselves. So
busy in their studies.
yes. So this is what I want to share. I know I have spoken a lot. Back to you, Deepa.
No, what you told all was correct thing. Like I also can relate more with that, but I really want to just point out two three things again. The thing is that when is the right time to search for a job, when we lost the job or when we are having a good job. So, for me, from my experience, when we are having a good job and good health, we have to try another, we have to find out another opportunity. Not like when we lose one
Yes.
job or one opportunity, our mental state will be gone and we will not get, or we will
Yes.
be compromised to the very limited opportunity. Maybe the pay will be less, or maybe we have to compromise many things to attend for that job. So for me, I thought in this way: First of all, I want to, the main reason for me to come for this business is, first of all, my financial and my kids. Then, if I will say financial and my kids means, you people, the people who know me, because this is my personal page, right? People will ask me that, because there is a lot maybe watching, they will be asking, how come Dibai? You are since 14 years, you are in Abu Dhabi and you are working as an MRI tech. And we know that MRI tech likes a licensed job. It's actually a 5-figure earning in dirham. So how come you are saying like that you have financial? So I face these questions mainly from the people who know me, who are not living, okay, from the people who are living in UAE and people from India. You might have, got too much, assets. But for me, what really happened means, even though despite my salary is high, I'm actually a representative of good paying job. Yeah. But over these 14 years, from my starting here till these 14 years, I will say that I don't have that much earnings. Instead, still I have loan, I have credit card debts. And why so? I'm not living a luxurious life. Okay. I have two kids only. But where is the money gone? So I will say